Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, my Lulila. Another cooking episode. And today, magluluto po tayo ng pizza bread. So, ang mga sangkap ay ang gagamitin po natin ay grated cheese, pasta sauce. For the toppings, ang ginamit ko lang yung ham. Hiniwa ko siya ng maliliit, squares, at saka sliced bread. Itong sliced bread na nabili ko ay murang-mura lang. It's on sale, 50% off, at pagkatapos reduce pa rin nila ng pinakamura, 0.06 pence. So, parang na siya. Kung i-convert sa Philippine peso, mga 3 pesos and 90 centavos. So, less than 4 pesos. So, i-arrange mo lang yung bread. I'm using 9 loaves of bread. And then, first is to spread the pasta sauce. Ang flavor ng pasta sauce ko ay garlic flavor. Mabango siya. Spread mo lang. Then after spreading, pwede mo nang i-sprinkle yung cheese, yung grated cheese. Gusto ko yung maraming cheese. Pwede kayong gumamit ng kahit anong cheese dito. So it's time to add the toppings. For this one, ham lang ang toppings ko. Pwede mo ring lagyan ng bell pepper, onions, mga pineapple, kahit anong gusto nyo. So after that, ilagay lang natin sa preheated oven. Nagluto din ako ng manok. Yung ready to cook or ready to eat na manok, pero niluto ko ulit. So ito na po yung finished product. Ang homemade pizza bread. I hope you like our video. If you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so that you will be notified for our next upload. And of course, don't forget your hot sauce. Tabasco. I've got here Tabasco and sriracha. Time to eat. Till next time. Bye.